Uthuthuria uyu uria wekirwo mweri-ini wa ĩtandatũ mwaka muhituku wakuruhanirie arutwo 3,307 thiini wa thukuru cia muthingi 177 thiini wa kaunti 25 wonanitie ati arutwo ni makoretwo makihuthira ndawa thukuru-ini, nyingi ciacio ari mbaki, bangi na miraa. Uthuthuria uyu uria wikitwo ni ruhonge rwa kwetana na ndawa cia kulevya rwa NACADA wonanitie ati gicunji kia 7% kia arutwo mari macama njohi, gicunji gia 6% mari macama mbaki, gicunji gia 3% mari macama miraa na gicunji kia 1% mari macama bangi mari a kuma miaka 4.
7.2% indicated current use of prescription drugs, 3.2% currently using alcohol, 2.6% currently using tobacco. 2.3% indicated use of miraha and around 1% in terms of the use of cannabis.
Dawa ici irerikana gicunji kia 28.6% ciendagio kioski-ini iria ire hakuhi na thukuru, 25.7% irabu-ini iria ire hakuhi na thukuru, 19.3% kuma kuri arutwo arunao na 13.7% kuma arutu wira thukuru-ini.
Kiosks and shops near schools were identified as the main source at around 28.6%. Another source was that if there was a pan near by the school, some learners indicated they could have gotten them from friends or even bought from fellow students and some from workers.
Mwena-ini wake Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Dagitari Fred Matiang'i kugerera mutabariri wa mihango ministry-ini yo Kang'ethe Thuku augite watho wa gutigirira gutire irabu ire hakuhi na thukuru ona kana micii ya andu no nginyagia uthingatwo.
In their syllabus, towards the realization of universal health care coverage for all, the Ministry of Education and the National Health Insurance Fund have set up the Education Afia program. The program offers a unique, comprehensive medical insurance cover for public secondary students that caters for specialized services such as drugs and substance abuse rehabilitation services. I urge my colleagues at the Ministry of Education to direct all their students suffering from alcohol and drug addiction.
Muikariri gite wa bodi ya NACADA Julius Githire augite thina wa ndawa ni undu umwe uria ukoretwo kuo na uguo hari bata mitaratara ya mbiko ya kuhonokia ciana.
We need to get out of the denial that we have been experiencing and we are existing in, assuming that nothing happens. We have been in denial.
Uhuthiri wa ndawa ni undu umwe uria ukoretwo ukihotomia mathomo ma arutwo na gicunji gia 6.4% Nũngari wa Mbui, Njata TV.